Why walking is ideal for healthy aging.
Walking is a simple, low-impact exercise that offers powerful benefits for seniors. It strengthens the heart, supports joint mobility, improves balance, and can help boost mood. Best of all, walking requires no special equipment and can be easily adjusted to fit different fitness levels. Done regularly, walking is a safe way to support independence and overall well-being as we age.
How to prepare for your walking routine.
Start by choosing comfortable, supportive shoes and loose, weather-appropriate clothing. Before heading out, warm up your muscles with light stretching or a few minutes walking in place. If you have any health concerns, check with your healthcare provider before beginning a new exercise routine. Consider walking with a friend or in well-lit, safe areas for extra motivation and security.
Building your walking plan.
Set realistic goals to help you stay motivated. Beginners can start with 10 to 15 minutes a day, 3 to 5 days per week, and gradually increase time and distance. Find a pace that feels comfortable, allowing you to maintain a conversation while walking. Track your progress and celebrate milestones. Consistency is more important than speed or distance at the start.
Staying safe while walking.
Pay attention to your surroundings and walk in well-lit, familiar areas. Stay hydrated and avoid walking during extremely hot or cold weather. If using headphones, keep the volume low to remain aware of traffic and others. Bring a phone for emergencies and let someone know your route. Listen to your body. If you feel dizzy, stop and rest.
Making walking enjoyable and sustainable.
Keep your routine fresh by exploring different routes, walking with friends, or listening to uplifting music or audiobooks. Use walking as an opportunity to enjoy nature or socialize. Set meaningful, achievable goals, such as joining a local walking group or participating in charity walks. Remember, the most effective routine is one you look forward to and can maintain over time.